Question 2 on fractions. And we're asked to perform the addition of one mixed number to another. I can rewrite this as 4 additions. This is really 1 plus 3/5 plus 2 plus 1/4. And this is equal, putting the integers together first, 3 plus 3/5 plus 1/4. To put these two fractions together, we must put them on a common denominator of 20. 5 into 20 goes 4, 4 times 3, 12. 4 into 20 goes 5, 5 times 1, 5. And remember, we had a 3 here. So this is equal to 3 plus 12 plus 5 is 17 over 20. And as we've been asked to write the answer as a mixed number, this is 3 and 17 over 20. And that's the answer to part A. That was part A. Let's have a look at part B. So we've been asked to get the left-hand side towards the right-hand side. So we've got 2 2/3 divided by 6. So if we're going to be quoting in thirds, 2 1/3 is 6/3. If we add another 2/3 to it, I would get that this is equal to 8/3. And then you can consider this as big divide by 6. Now dividing by 6 is the same as multiplying by 1 over 6. So this becomes 8 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 6. There's a factor of 2 to cancel out between the 8 and the 6. 2 into 8 goes 4, and 2 into 6 goes 3. So on the top deck, it's 4 times 1, which is 4, and on the bottom deck, 3 times 3, which is 9. And that should be your answer.